Hello, I am Chandrasekar, Senior General Manager from S&T Group. Hello IMTEX, India's largest and most influential metal forming technology exhibition is back from Jan 21 to 25 and S&T Engineers is excited to be part of it. We are S&T Engineers, proud trading unit of S&T Group. Since 1996, for the past 3 decades, we are serving the industry with the metal cutting solutions. Since 2021, we have been delivering advanced metal forming and laser solutions that help manufacturers cut faster, weld cleaner, and produce smarter. IMTEX is where innovation meets precision, where global technology leaders and manufacturers come together to shape the future of metal fabrication. This year, we are bringing solutions designed for speed, higher precision, and higher productivity. At our stall, experience our complete range of fiber laser cutting machines, single bed and enclosed type machines from 3 kW to 30 kW. Also, we are bringing dedicated tube cutting solutions with auto loading and zero tail technology. We will also showcase our cobot laser welding machine, press brake machines, and auto panel bender machines. These machines are engineered for consistent performance and shop floor efficiency. We warmly welcome you to visit S&T Engineers at Hall number 5, stall number A131, January 21st to 25th. Meet our experts, explore the technology up close, and see how S&T Engineers can power your manufacturing growth. We look forward to welcome you at IMTEX.